In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Adjust Color option in Photoshop's contextual taskbar. This is a fast way to tweak brightness, contrast, and color without digging through menus. It's especially useful for quick corrections when you're working with generative fill or selections. When you open an image in Photoshop and click on the Adjustment color, Photoshop analyzes the image and shows you the available colors that you can adjust. For example, if we want to adjust the car light color, simply select the red color and change its values. In the same way, you can also change the overall car color. For more accurate results, you can use the eyedropper tool to pick the exact color you want to match. And that's how you adjust color quickly in Photoshop using the contextual taskbar. It's a simple but powerful tool for fast corrections, especially useful right after generative fill, when the new object might need a little color matching. Practice with different sliders and combine with masks for professional results.